How to add a GIF to Instagram comment. This feature allows you to make your comments more engaging and expressive. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Find a post where you want to leave a comment and tap on the comment section. Once the comment box appears, look for the GF button next to the text field. Tap on the GF button and a selection of trending GIFs will appear. You can scroll through these to find one that fits your comment. If you are looking for a specific GIF, use the search bar to type in a keyword and browse through the available options. Once you have found the GIF you want to use, tap on it and it will be added as your comment. The GIF will be posted instantly, just like a regular text comment. If you do not see the GF button in your comment section, you may need to update your Instagram app. To do this, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the process to complete. Once the update is installed, GF option should now appear in the comment section. That is how you can easily add a GIF in Instagram comments.